We are the children of Tibet, our own language and our script. We must preserve and propagate them. We must cherish our culture. I am Tibetan land. I am Tibetan land. 3 provinces joined as one, uniting our steps together. We must work for brighter future. His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, granted us true democracy, keeping His Holiness, His kindness in our hearts. We must all work together. There is no need to mourn. Let us sing and dance instead, with our heads held high with pride. We must march forward for Tibet. Oh, victory to Tibet. I got love. Your flame was not born of despair, but of boundless courage and unwavering love for Tibet. Before the United Nations, you offered the ultimate sacrifice, so the world might awaken to China's repression in Tibet. Though your body turned to ashes, your spirit lives on, guiding us to stand with truth, justice, and the freedom of Tibet. We remember you. We honor you. We to stand against CCP's repression in Tibet.